And Ari, due to recent increases in cases of pertussis, also known as whooping cough, health officials all over northern Nevada are reminding people to get vaccinated there too. This bacterial infection can cause serious, sometimes even deadly complications, especially in young children and infants. And the symptoms really start out like a common cold, but become worse as time goes on.
They're coughing so hard they have to catch their breath, and so that's where they get the whoop. The name of whooping cough comes in.
State law does require children to receive the whooping cough vaccinations, including the DTaP vaccine and a booster shot for older kids before enrolling in school. Adults will also need to get the booster, which is called the Tdap vaccine, every 10 years.